I don't want no coal in my stocking. So Santa Claus is gonna have some hot chocolate chip cookies when he comes to my house. Let's make giant chocolate chip cookies. It's Christmas time and everybody says you're supposed to make your favorite cookie. Well, mine is the great big chocolate chip cookie. Let's get started. I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees. We are going to be needing 2 bowls, one for the dry mixture and one for the wet mixture. So we are going to be using 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, we are going to be needing 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Set this dry mixture aside, and now we are going to cream our butter and sugar. Okay, we are going to be needing 1 stick and a half of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of light brown sugar, or whatever brown sugar you have, packed. Oh, and that butter was at room temperature. We don't want to use cold butter. We want to use room temperature butter. And then we want to use a 1/2 cup of regular sugar. Okay, all we need is 1 egg. You know what, guys? I have a brand new mixer that my husband just purchased for me. And I am sitting here making this without using my mixer. I can't believe I did that. He got it for me as a surprise yesterday because I didn't want to use the hand mixer to make my cookies. I'm going to change that. I'm just going to dump it all out and put it right into my mixer. I can't wait to see this thing in action. Look at that, no time at all. Now we're going to mix in our dry ingredients into this, and then we're going to put in our chocolate chips, and I'm also putting nuts in mine. They just spilled everywhere. It always happens. I forgot my mixer. I have no clue. So now I'm going to start putting in my chocolate chips, minus 1/4 cup. The 1/4 cup went down the garbage disposal that I picked up off the floor, but oh well, that's the way it goes. So let's get started. This is just a 1/2 cup of pecan. Make sure it's all incorporated. I'm going to use my small cookie sheets. Okay, we are going to be using a 1/2 cup measure for each cookie. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful batter. Put them in as 4s. Make sure you set your timer to 17 to 18 minutes. Okay, my alarm just went off. My microwave is on. Oh my gosh. Santa Claus! I was not good this year, but I'm still going to eat a cookie. Oh my goodness, y'all. These are beautiful. Tina, look at my cookies. Aren't they gorgeous?
That's cool.
Isn't that cool? She says that's cool. No, they're very hot. I gotta let them sit. And my other ones are gonna stay in there about 2 minutes. Oh, these are gonna be so good. Oh, there's the other alarm for the other cookies. These look so good. These look so good. I want to thank y'all so much for watching my channel. I hope you will hit the like button and subscribe. I'm just so grateful for everyone who's watching, and if maybe you have a favorite cookie, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite Christmas cookie is, or your favorite cookie in general. Maybe what Christmas cookies you're making this year, if any at all. You want some hot baked cookies in your oven, just go get you some refrigerator cookies. I have tons. I use those all the time for a quick fix. Make you a cup of hot cocoa, hot tea, hot coffee, whatever's ailing you. Troubles, get the Christmas time blues, just do that. Ooh, these are the ones with 5 on it. Look at those. Oh my goodness, these are so perfect. This is a chocolate chip cookie. This is gonna make my Christmas really good. Oh, I love gigantic cookies. It's like being allowed to eat just one cookie, knowing they're like 3. Oh yeah. Okay, gotta let them cool over here.
Cause that's too big. And away, friend. Oh yeah.
Tina thinks we ought to split one because they're so big. I don't agree, but I am gonna. Oh my gosh. Best chocolate chip cookie I ever had. She wants me to give her the other half. You hear her laughing? Perfectly done. Perfect cookie. Surprise somebody with a giant chocolate chip cookie.